Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can add audio or voiceovers to your video using CapCut Desktop, all right? Not the CapCut on your mobile device, but the one you use your laptop to work with. Exactly, that's CapCut. Yes. So before that, you're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Cynthia Ifoma and you are welcome. All right, so stick around, join the community by hitting that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I put out videos like this. All right, so without further ado, let's get right into it. Today we are adding some flair to the videos by learning how to add music in CapCut Desktop, right? So music sets the mood and makes the content more engaging. So let's dive right in. So first things first, we have to launch CapCut and then import the video we want to edit. So let me look for something. Okay. So let's say this is the video we want to edit. So what we need to do right now is first add this video to the timeline. And bring it to the timeline so that we can start working on it. So here we can zoom in and zoom out from here. So to add music right now, what we do is go to the audio icon on the menu, right? So look at the menu at the top left corner of the screen. So I just click on audio and here you can see music. So you can now select music. Maybe you want to use the already existing music in CapCut. You can just select from here, search for a particular kind of music, maybe something, some calm music, calm intro, right? So I have something like that. You can search for it and use anything depending on whatever they have. Right? You know, try out different sounds. So you don't want it to be this long. You can just cut it. So let me try cutting this sound. I'll cut it from here, just like we do before. So I'll come to this split and delete. So but it's going to delete the ones by the right. Yeah, it's going to delete the right hand side. So now I have just the shot, this part. So leaving room for us to try out other things in CapCut. Here you can now adjust the volume of this music. You can just adjust it. If it is too loud, you can reduce it or increase it. Just tweak it anyhow you want it. And if you want it to, if it is a slow song and you want it to, sing faster, just click here and then you go to speed to increase it. You just click here to increase, or here to go back to normal. I don't see any need to do that, but you can just come here to. So if you want to add sound effects, just below the music you'll see sound effects. You can extract audio from a video. Just you can import the video here and extract audio from it, or use some TikTok sounds depending on whatever you want. So just come here, select it and use it. So this is for sound effect. I'll just add one sound effect. All right, just click it. Yes, and I'll add the sound effect and to. So I'll just cut it because I need the extra space to do for voiceover. The voiceover, for voiceover, we just come to this microphone, this mic icon you see below, just below the player section of this window. So you click on it and it will display this little window for your voiceover. So all you need to do is hit this record button by, so when you click on the start recording, you can now start after the countdown, because it will count 3, 2, 1. After the countdown, you say what you want to say, and then, let's just do it. Test, test, test. And that's it. So I'll just stop it. I'll stop the recording and close the window. So when I close the window, I already have now I can trim it. I can trim it to just use the parts that I want. So let me trim from here. Trim and just put this one here. Then I can cut the excess part, cut it, cut the excess part. And now you've seen how we've done that all together, right? So let's just play what we have. Test, test, test. So that's it. That's all. So this you've seen how you can add audio to your video in CapCut Desktop. All right. Thank you for watching this video. If you got any value from it, please hit the like button, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. So all you need to do now is proceed to export this project, and then you can go ahead to use it wherever you want to. Thank you, and bye bye. See you in the next class.